Hello Aries, this is your October love reading. So this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. If you have Aries in your sun, moon, rising and Venus, you can watch this video. So what we have for Aries people for the month of October 2021. So Page of Cups, Four of Wands, the Sun. Wow, it's a great card. Major Arcana, the Sun, the Fool. We have two Sun here, this Sun, and look at this, the Fool. Here the Sun is appearing in your, two Sun appearing in your reading. Okay, Six of Swords, wonderful. The Chariot, third major arcana. Your love life is going to be, you are feeling top of the world right now. And High Priestess, wow, all major arcanas. Knight of Swords, it's a wonderful card. And the Moon. Okay, it's a yin yang energy here for Aries people. Okay, we have 5 major arcanas in your single reading, Aries. Here is strongly Pisces and Cancer, Leo, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have here strongly Cancer, Leo, Pisces and Aquarius. Okay, so we have 2 Pisces, the Moon and the High Priestess. Maybe you are dealing with Pisces, like you are very emotional right now because we have the Moon and okay, Aries. So we have your overall energy is the Moon. Okay, here a lots of positive card we have received for Aries, and maybe this Moon card is telling me that you are thinking something right now and just thinking very deeply, and it's a Moon card is a very hidden energy and hidden feelings. Maybe I'm picking up on here that you are thinking that, and you are just this both major arcana is telling me that some hidden thing or feeling inside you about your person, that maybe this person maybe you want commitment, higher level of commitment like marriage and engagement from your person, but till now he is not giving you that commitment or that marriage proposal or some offer to you, and you are very intuitive about that. Okay, so maybe since long time you are waiting for this, because we have also this 8 of Swords here, and you are dealing maybe you are dealing with some immature energy, like you are very mature, and with this Page of Cups they are not that much maturity like you, like High Priestess and the Moon. So maybe this person is immature. So this is for like we have the 2 major arcanas here, the Sun and the Fool. Maybe exactly what are you waiting for? The Sun and this Fool, some new beginning in your relationship, and till now you are just very tired to holding on this relationship with this person, and you want victory here. Okay, so that's why you are stuck in maybe this is your recent past energy, like you are stuck in that energy, and you want some commitment, some one step forward to with your partner or something like that, but this person is not ready till now. But October, and after this new moon, maybe and this is moon energy here, Pisces, two times the moon and the high priestess. Maybe this person is going to, just what are you waiting right now, he's going to give you, or she is going to give you. Definitely. Knight of Swords, the Sun and the Fool. He is going to commit to you, and also they are ready to give you a commitment. Some new beginning is happening here. Okay. The Fool is a kind of energy, like it's a very carefree energy. So you just make sure that you are not taking decision in a hurry, or in a very, just so fast or something like that. Just take your time, because high priestess is here. You are very intuitive, and if he is or she is going to giving you a commitment, just think upon that, whether she is or he is stable or not. Okay, so think upon that, because the Fool is appearing in your reading, and the most powerful card in this traditional tarot deck is the Fool. They will definitely give you some offer and some commitment. Okay, so it is going to take some one step forward in your relationship. And the Chariot we have, it's also a very powerful card here, the Chariot. It's a card of moving forward, and it's a card of victory, and it's a card of Cancer, which is very emotional, and which is very definitely you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Strongly I am picking up in here. Okay, so this person is very loyal to you in upcoming times, and he or she definitely going to take this relationship one step forward, which you want in your life. And the Chariot is a card of moving forward, victory. I love this three combination: the Sun, the Chariot, and the Fool. All the yellow energy and all the positive vibes I am getting here. So yeah, the Sun, love and light, some victory and new beginning is coming into your life. What to say now? These all positive cards here is telling me that, because you holding on this relationship, because you want this victory. Okay, so maybe you waited so long for this from that person. You waited so long for this, and you have done so many inner work, like high priestess, and also the moon here. Your work very hermit energy I am picking up on here. Like you waited so long for this person, because you are very mature, and this person is not mature. Okay, but definitely here some offer I am seeing this from this person. Six of Swords is also a traveling card. Okay, it's a card of moving from something to another direction, and the Chariot is also a moving card. Yeah, definitely he's coming towards you to commit to you, and it's a very positive reading for you, Aries. So yeah, if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. So thank you for watching.